Turkey's Bayraktar TB2 drone is on its way to becoming a bestseller after the war in Ukraine. It is used by the Ukrainian army. The unmanned aerial vehicle carries 4 missiles and designed to destroy tanks. It is 6 meters long, has a wingspan of 12 meters and can stay in the air for as long as 27 hours. It is operated by 3 people who are based in a mobile command center on the ground. The maximum speed at which the drone can move is just over 200 kilometers per hour. It was initially expected that these drones would not be a problem for Russian air defense, but it turns out that this is not the case. Their range is 150 kilometers, it's operated from a place that's like a container, a trailer that has 3 people in it who operate the drone, and they see the objects through the drone itself, which photographs and scans them, which helps the people who are in control see them. As well as scanning the objects themselves, the drone can judge exactly which part to hit, i.e. where their weakest part is. Tanks on their top are much more vulnerable when hit, and special electronics in the drone itself help to accurately strike them. The drones in question have been used to destroy the very trucks that supply the tanks with fuel. According to unofficial information, Ukraine has about 50 such drones. Turkey is one of only 4 countries in the world to produce such drones at all, the others being the USA, China and Israel.